These are the steps to choose a different search engine on Brave web browser. First, launch the web browser. As the web browser opens, click on Settings. On clicking on Settings, select Search. Now, when you select Search, you will see the default web browser there, and in this case, is Brave. Maybe you want to choose Google. Check this box, all right, and uncheck this. All right, so with this, you are going to be using Google as the default search engine. Once you take your cursor to the box and click, it is selected. If you click on the initially selected box, it will be deselected. All right, so that's that, and with this you can close. All right, you can see now Google is now the default search engine here. You can see the icon, so I can search a few things here. How is life? Okay, let's just say something. All right, so and that's all. That's all how to switch to a different search engine on Brave web browser.